you say hi to the peoples? Hey, it's Chels. And it's been a super long time since I made a video, so hi. I just wanted to make this quick video because I recently cut off all my hair. Yay! Yay! I also dyed it blonde again. I know a few videos back, I definitely said I was never gonna go back to color, but you know what? This is who I am. This is who I be. Sorry if you hear all these random sounds. A lot has changed. I'll make another video for that, but for right now, I am going to actually give you guys some good quality content that y'all came here to see. So if you want to see how I get all my like little 4A, 4B curls to lay down, keep watching. So you're gonna need a comb, and you're gonna comb out your little curls, your little coils, your little coils, your little goils, to be nice and ready to be gelled and laid the fuck down. Next, you're gonna wanna use a leave-in conditioner. As of right now, this is my go-to. It is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. It's like you don't need that much because you're bald. Rub it in all over, girl. Rub it in all over, girl. My next thing is that I put in my curl defining cream. I don't do the lock method, the LOC. I like to do it as LCO. So you put your liquid or your leave-in conditioner, then you put your cream, girl. You put your cream, and then you put your oil. I use Eden Body Works natural curl defining cream. All right, so once you have your cream in there, this is when you would put your oil. I don't have it next to me. Let me go get it. So I'm using coconut oil in here. It's a really lightweight oil. It's really the only one I'm using right now, right besides Jamaican black castor oil. And then we get to the difficult part. Now I'm telling you, if you don't want to glob like a whole bunch of gel onto your head, I would suggest pairing this with a mousse. I like to pair it with Treseme's Ultra Moisture Mousse, I think. I keep walking away from the camera because I'm so fucking rusty at this. Tresemme Tress Mousse. You're gonna figure out which way you want your hair to go. I always start in the front. It's just easier for me to do that. And then you just need to like smooth it down a little bit as well. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for y'all. Zoom in, girl, zoom in. I like how this stuff sounds too. I see the back. So it may not look like anything's happening right now, but that's because I'm not brushing it down. So you're gonna need this baby as well. If you don't have a brush, you're just gonna have to use your fingers. You're just gonna have to use your fingers and make sure that you push everything down with a silk scarf. I like this because once you start using this brush, girl, it's over. It's over. Your hair is ready to listen. And so now, since I think I have enough gel in here and everything's pretty much laying flat, you just want to go over it with your brush. You make sure you're going with the brush and then following it with your hand. Alright, so this is what it's looking like right now. So you're gonna see like a lot of residue and stuff like that from the gel. Don't worry, that's not gonna stay there. Plus you can easily wipe it off. This is when I throw the mousse in. Yeah, use about this much or whatever you feel comfortable with. And ease that on it. Time for the scarf. Make sure that it's silk so that way it just suck the moisture completely out of your head. And you're just gonna tie it normally. fold it in half, put it around your head, girl. You just gotta tie it like so. Crap. There we go. All right, make sure it's nice and tight and flat. Now since it's daytime, I'm not gonna keep this on overnight. I feel like the longer you keep your scarf on, the better it looks. But it's nice and flat. I am a visually challenged person, so I need to make sure my ears are out so that way I can see and do other things. And now you just wait. Alright, so we're back, and now it's time to take off this scarf. So this is the final look. I don't even know how it looks. Hold on. Ah, it came out nice. But yeah, this is the finishing result. The top of my head is actually still a little wet from all the mousse and the gel and stuff like that, but everything is pretty much laid down, as you can see. I hope you guys can see that. And yeah, so that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it is, comment down below. Tell me how much it helped you. Also tell me if there's anything else that you want to see. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.